So ayan guys, we just arrived here in train station. Kamusta naman?
Mabuti.
Mabuti.
Amazing.
Amazing Philippines. Papuntang Luang Prabang. So ayan, we are here at we just got our ticket. Okay. Yung passport mo, kuya.
Passport.
Yes. Let's get the ticket. SabayดีไปLuang Prabangมันสื่อแล้วตอนเอาปีนไปมัน
ถ้าเพิ่งไปทำดีทุกที่มุ่งแน่นเท่าไหร่มีตัวไหน
Guys, pag nag-purchase na kayo ng funds through LCR, you can pick up your ticket here.
ที่สามหาสิ
Thank you.
ก็สามหา
Ay, kosa po. Bulay lawa.
ก็สามหา
Ay.
เท่าไหร่
Oh.
Ito na ticket. Pagpasok, titingnan mo yung passport.
Pay captain. So, guys, if you purchase your ticket here, like pay cap or round trip, you can get already your return ticket. So, ayan, let's go. Let's go na ang person. So ayan guys, we got already our ticket there sa ticketing booth and we are in front of Vientiane railway station. Papunta tayo ng Luang Prabang, kasama natin si Kuya Ed. And titikman namin yung Luang Prabang sausage kung masarap ba. Ano yung expect mo sa Luang Prabang naman?
Eddie Long.
Since this is your first time, ano yung expectation mo na kwan?
Memorable.
Anong memorable na gusto mong mangyari doon? Ay.
Bigla ko nakita si Kamla.
Ay, in-expect mo ba may ano doon? May someone?
Forever.
Ay, sana. Baka nandun na yung ka-forever ni Kuya Ed, di ba? Let's go! Samahan niya kami with this vlog. Ayan. The weather right now, medyo makulimlim. Mainit dito sa Vientiane. And let's see kung ano yung weather dun sa Luang Prabang. Ayan. Let's go! Kapsay. So ayan, naka-check-in na tayo. Ayan, si Kuya Chine-check na yung yung ticket and passport. So after checking your passport and ticket, mag-undergo yung luggage natin dito. Security check. Ayan. Wag na. Kung hindi siya So we are here in Cafe Amazon. Ayan. Ano ba? Iced coffee, yung mga ganyan.
Kaya mo iced tea.
Wala silang tea. Ay, meron tea, actually.
Pero iced tea.
Thai milk tea. May gatas yun.
Ay, wag gatas. Wag muna. Nagta umain.
Latte. Cafe latte. Cafe latte. Yen. Good. เป็นเมื่อวานลายไอ้บงตรงตัวay kuya, parang bet yung nandyan sa likod mo. Oo nga. Ayan. We are here now in lot 5 Satani. Ayan, Satani lot 5 in Vientiane. So I'm with Kuya Ed and our trip will be 3:45 3:40 o 3:45. Mga ganun yan. Kayo na mag-adjust ng oras. Pero tignan nyo naman, ang view. Amazon. Ang sarap ng Amazon, kuya. Hindi. So time check, it's 2:32. Ayan, we are still waiting our train going to Luang Prabang. And I will show you. Got my passport, my new passport. This is my new passport with 10 years validity. So maybe mafi-finish to mga 1 year lang naman. Another renewal after 1 year or 2 years. Yes, dahil sa gala. Ayan. Dami ng tao. This is last trip going to Luang Prabang. So this is 3:40 p.m. So yun guys, the train already arrived in Vientiane station. So yan, offloading now. Ayan o, that is the train. Ayan, boarding na guys. We are waiting for our ayan, mag-disembark na siya. Then, pupunta na kami ng Luang Prabang. Dito na tayo, kuya. Dito na. So guys, na-check na tayo ng and we are going to our couch. So ayan, papunta na kami ng cabin namin. And it's first class. Mostly mga puti ang nandun, kuya. Mga nasa couch na couch 1. This is the train. Ayan. Ay, Luang Prabang. So we just left in Vientiane and we are now in the train, and the next station will be Pun Hong and Bang Vieng, then Luang Prabang. That is the view.
And leave the rear door to passengers who are going to board the car.
So guys,
Due to the short parking time of the train,
station.
please do not get off or walk around for passengers who have not arrived at the station, so as to avoid delaying your trip. Thank you for your cooperation. We are now arriving at Pun Hong Station.
Pun Hong Station. So guys, we are here in Bang Vieng. Bang Vieng.
女士们、先生们，万荣站就要到了，万荣站就要到了。We are now arriving at Vientiane Station. Please go to the front door in the running direction of your coach in advance to wait for getting off, and leave the rear door to passengers who are going to board the car. Due to the short parking time of the train.
So we are here in Bang Vieng. So ano masasabi mo sa Bang Vieng, kuya? Your
We are now
observation.
arriving at
Very nature.
Vientiane Station.
Bang Vieng.
Please go to the front door in the running direction of your coach in advance to wait for getting off, and leave the rear door to passengers who are going to board the car. Due to the short parking time of the train, please do not get off or walk around for passengers who have not arrived at the station, so as to avoid.
So guys, you can buy also a snack here. So like that. They are selling food and drinks. Ayan. So ang tubig, how much is that for?
12,000.
12,000. Ayan. Very kwan siya. Milyonaryo si kuya dito sa Laos. Naka 2 milyon na siya. Top 2 tup eh. 对 Tap เท่าไหร่ตัวนี้66
Magkano yun? Ito.
ano ba? Soft drink. Ano ito rin? 25 plus 2 12กับ12กับ25กับ24เก้าเนาะ
Magkano?
66 บาทมี100 บาทแม่คะ100 บาทเหรอ
Magkano
เท่าไหร่
lahat?
เนี่ยเป็นบาท
Magkano lahat?
45 49 49
49. 20 to.
Oo. 40. Ayan, 40.
40. Ito,
Dalawang red na ganyan.
dalawang red.
Oo. Tag-5 yan. Doon, tanahasip. Gusto mo naman snack? Ay, ang haba, kuya. Very long.
Ay,
Tara ito ni. Samsip ha.
ano yan? Sausage?
Oo. 35. Kapchay. Dede. Actually, most of the product, like mga ganyan, food, processed food, galing Thailand. Kasi wala namang production ng kwan dito, mga ganyan.
Kasi kung tingnan
So, diba? Ano yung kwan? Kaya mga taga Luang Prabang, bumibili ng mga fast food dito sa may Vientiane. Like nakita ko kanina kay pizza, uuwi ng Luang Prabang.
yung iba nag-grocery sa Kwan.
Sa
Sa kabilang ibayo ng ilog.
Totoo, ganun. Makikita mo yun, talagang natin magbalsa. So right now, we are here in Bandongzki. And tag-ulan. And fog. So buti na lang, hindi naman wala sa itinerary ni Kuya ang Bandongzki. Kasi nga, doon, very adventure and
Ay, too old for that.
kaya nga niyong mag-cruise. Alam natin kung kaya niyo mag-Guangxi Falls bukas. We're going to Guangxi Falls and dapat. Kung hindi, bukas city tour tayo. Tapos kwan siya. Sa Tuesday tayo ang Guangxi.
Wala pa naman akong dala. Praise the Lord.
Diba? Very ang kwan ng weather.
Kasi ano doon, mountainous.
It's ano na siya. Hindi na siya rainy. In-expect ko pa. So guys, we are living here at Kasi. Time check is 5:25. Ayan. Okay pa ba ang level of sugar natin?
Ay, kaya nag-water.
Diba? Masakit na din sa puwet. Ay, mga ganyan typical houses guys dyan. This is Kasi. Yeah.
Kasi yun.
The hometown of Kamla. Hi, shout out to Kamla.
Kamla-chan.
Yes.
ของบริษัททั้งไฟล้างอีกจากกันในการเดินทางในครั้งนี้หวังยังยิ่งว่าจะได้พบกับทานในการเดินทางกับพวกเขาอีกในครั้งต่อไป
女士们、先生们，已经要到达终点站。
Welcome to Luang Prabang. Maluwang Prabang. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tourists for today's video. Paggabi na din. Ay. Daming tourists. Ito pala yung nila. May kitchen. Medyo hindi na siya mainit. Mainit pa. Guys, tignan nyo guys. Very mountainous. Welcome to Luang Prabang! Kaya pa ba ng powers mo? Diba? Very energetic. Saan ka dyan? So, anong gagawin natin dito sa Luang Prabang? Ay? Mapapasikip. So guys, yan yung ano, congested na siya.
Congestion.
Dami. Oh. Dami ngayon. So ganito karami ang tourist ngayon. Ay ganyan kuya oh, ang ano to? Business class. Oh, saan ka dyan? So, after nyo galing doon, pwede kayong bumili ng transportation nyo dito, 40,000 keep papunta ng city. Ayan. And 2 kun. อยู่เท่าไหร่แรงด้วย2 คนมา Come on. And now we are buying ticket going to the city proper. Ayan, samahan nyo ako sa next na vlog ko dito sa Luang Prabang. Kopkun kap, kop chay laylay, agyamanak. Sheshe, kapapsamnida.